The first part to creating your site is first logging into your Google Apps account. Make sure that you go to the Regis Middle School Google Apps site, and that is www.google.com/a/regisroyals.org. If you go to this URL, it'll automatically take you to this page. Type in your password. Yours will look a little bit different than mine. This is my dashboard to manage the site, so I'm just going to click on Sites. If you click on Sites here, it'll take you here. And then to start creating your site, you're just going to click Create, and it'll ask you for your site name. I called mine Mrs. Marlin. I'm going to call this one Demo Marlin Site, and then I'm going to keep it at blank template, and I'm going to click Create. From here, the first thing I'm going to do is set it up so that others can easily see my site. So I'm going to go to More and Manage Site. And from here, the first thing I want to do is set sharing and permissions. Right now it's set so that only people within the Regis Middle School domain can see it. I'm going to change that so that anyone with the link, because it'll be linked from the Regis Middle School site, no sign-in required, so they do not have to be a part of our domain, can view the site, and I'm going to click Save. And then from here you can play with the layout, themes and fonts, colors and fonts and themes. On my page I did choose a theme, and I came down and I chose the cherry theme, and then you can preview the different themes if you want by clicking the preview button. And this is what it would look like live. And then once you find out a theme that you like, we're going to choose Save. And if you do use a theme, you really don't have to adjust the colors and fonts. It'll automatically default. You can play with these if you would like. I'm not going to go through these, but there's various different items you can choose from to change. I'm going to keep them at the default. And then your site layout. You're probably not going to use a whole lot now. As far as the header goes, we ask that you do not change the domain default logo. Leave that where it is. And I'm just going to hit cancel to get out of that so I don't change anything. And this sidebar, as you get more comfortable with the sites, you may choose to go in and edit that. Or if you don't want the sidebar, you can delete it. For instance, the site map you may choose that you don't want to include. I'm going to hit cancel to get out of that. And then once I'm finished in managing my site, I'm just going to go back to my Demo Marlin site, and now I'm ready to start editing my pages.